In this video, we'll learn how to manipulate an object's origin and geometry separately in Shapelab. This feature gives you more control over symmetry, alignment, and transformations. The origin defines the location and orientation of your symmetry planes and gizmos. By adjusting it, you can align your symmetry planes exactly where you want them without moving the model itself. This is especially helpful for symmetrical sculpting and the mirror and weld operation, because you can decide exactly where the mirror geometry will appear. You can also shift the origin and clone your object around the chosen axis, perfect for creating evenly spaced copies in a circular pattern. Separating origin and geometry also helps with precise movement. By resetting transforms to 0, 0, 0, you can move objects accurately in local space, even after scaling or rotating them. Using applied transform, you can normalize scale and prevent sculpt brushes from behaving unpredictably. For precise alignment, open the Align Origin tab from the same context menu. This lets you align the origin to the world axes, object surfaces, or other custom positions. To separate or adjust the origin, open the context menu and go to the Transforms tab. Here you can move either the geometry or the origin independently. Use the gizmos to reposition one while keeping the other fixed. For example, move the origin away from the model or shift the geometry relative to the origin, depending on what you need. You can also use gizmos to visually position your origin where it best fits your sculpting workflow, like aligning a pivot for rotation or mirror placement. Manipulating the origin and geometry separately gives you total control over how your object behaves in space, from symmetry and cloning to precision transforms and scaling fixes. Use it to make your sculpting and editing process faster, cleaner, and more accurate.